Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is a Royal Albert Tablescape video. So of course this video is the last video of the yellow tablescape series that I started, and I'm truly excited about today's video because, like I have mentioned, it's all about the color yellow, and I wanted to incorporate, of course, the Royal Albert fine bone china. And the pattern that I am using today is just absolutely gorgeous. It truly reminds me of a lush English garden. It reminds me of the beauty of nature. And today's video is going to be a relaxing video. And I just wanted to share with all of you the beauty of nature and the beauty of today's tablescape. So I am going to be incorporating the two. And like I have mentioned, this is part of the yellow tablescape series that I have done for summer. And like I've mentioned, this looks gorgeous. So before I even get started in today's video, I wanted to make a few announcements. The first announcement that I want to make is all about the wonderful support that I have been getting in this channel from my subscribers and my viewers. I feel like this channel really brings joy to my life because of all the wonderful comments and all of the wonderful positive feedback that I have been getting. And I have formed a lot of friendships with my subscribers, and I just want to say thank you. And I will continue to do more videos. And also, one of the things that I'm asking is for all my subscribers and my viewers to click on the like button. And so once you click on the like button, it lets YouTube know that you like the video, and it also let YouTube push out the video so that way more people can discover my channel, and so that way my videos can be shared more on YouTube. So I would highly appreciate it. It would be an honor for me if you click the like button. I would highly appreciate it, and I'll be very thankful for that. And the next announcement that I want to make is all about my blog. So I have a blog, and I do notice that a few of you have subscribed to my blog, and I want to say thank you. So if you want to see more content besides my YouTube channel, you can definitely go to my blog, and the link to my blog is going to be down below in the description box. And of course, I always do a fashion portion, a fashion segment towards the end of the video, and I'll talk more about my outfit and about the dress and the jewelry and everything else. So now let me go ahead and get started in today's video. Hey everyone, so this is the fashion portion, the fashion segment of today's video. And of course I do this with all of my videos because I have gotten some wonderful requests from my wonderful subscribers to share more about my outfit. So I am going to be talking about the outfit that I am wearing in today's video. So of course I am wearing a dress from SHEIN, and it is a maxi dress, and it is, I would say, like a light blue dress on the background, and there's light blue, dark blue, and yellow flowers, and there's all types of different flowers. There's roses, and there's of course blue roses, yellow roses, and look like there's some peonies in here, and many types of different flowers, creating this beautiful floral pattern. And like I have mentioned, this is a maxi dress. It's very flowy. This is the perfect dress to transition from summer into fall. And in the fall, I will definitely pair it with a beautiful jacket and some boots. And in the summer, I usually pair it with some espadrilles and a beautiful straw hat and a straw bag. And it's just beautiful. I absolutely love everything about this dress. And another thing about this dress is it has the smock detail, which I love. I always love a dress that have smock detail and voluminous sleeves. And today I've decided to wear it off the shoulders, but this is a dress that can be worn on the shoulders as well. Now I have decided to pair this beautiful dress with a cameo necklace that also have some pearl details, and I am wearing an earring that also have some pearl details as well. And I love this dress, and it kind of have this very chic look to it. And like I have mentioned, it is a dress that can be worn from summer into fall. So I'm gonna see if this dress is available, and if it is, I'll link it down below, and if it's not, I'll definitely see if I can find a similar dress. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, this Royal Albert Tablescape video. You can definitely follow me in all of my social media. All of the links are going to be down below in the description box, and I will be doing more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye and God bless.